Songwriters, we've all been there, revved up to write a song but not knowing what direction to go in. And this video I'm going to share with you the #1 thing that made the difference between actually finishing a song and just spinning my wheels in the mud.
Songwriting can be tough, especially when you're trying to come up with a new idea. But no matter where we start a song from, we're always trying to get to the same destination, a finished song. It's a bit like taking a road trip. You know where you want to go, but sometimes you need help getting there. How great would it be if we could just type in finished song as our destination on Google Maps and have it show us the way? Google, how do I get to finish my song?
At the next full moon, continue straight up in a downward direction.
Like a GPS, we can't get to where we want to be if we don't input our destination. Think of our subconscious like a GPS. We need to give it proper instructions so it can show us the way. But how do we do that? We need a roadmap to follow. Writing a song is all about expressing our emotions and thoughts, so having a clear idea of what we want to say in our song is a major step to avoiding writer's block. Because if we don't know what we want to say, how are we going to find the words to say it?
Just write from the heart. You either have it or you don't. Your hat looks stupid and you smell like farts.
And this is where the big idea comes in. It's like having a big idea that serves as a roadmap that can guide us to a finished song. Something that keeps us on track, a way to know that we're headed in the right direction as we write the song. It's a clear destination that we can give our subconscious GPS.
You are bad at metaphors.
You're bad at metaphors. For me, when I have a decent song idea, I always try to figure out what the song is about and what I want to say as soon as I can. And that's not always easy. A lot of the time when we start writing a song, we just don't know what we want to say. But that's okay. Songwriting is a creative process, and sometimes you need to get lost to realize where you're actually meant to be. We're bound to hit some dead ends and take a few wrong turns, but if we have a clear destination in mind, it's easier to tell when we've gone in the wrong direction.
You have reached your destination.
This is where we started from. Technology. What an age we live in. So, how do we start giving our subconscious the right instructions so it will give us the ideas we're looking for? Well, first, we need to understand the difference between a theme and a topic. A topic is the subject matter. It's what we're writing about. But a theme is the topic plus what we want to say about it. A topic is like the starting motor, but a theme is like the engine.
You don't know anything about cars. Ha 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 ha.
A theme is like the big picture. It's the reason we're writing the song. Think of it like this. You're writing a song about a relationship, but what are you trying to say? Are we talking about the buzz of a new love, the frustration of a fight, or the empowerment of getting out of a toxic relationship? And here's an easy way to practice this. Let's say we're going with the empowerment of getting out of a toxic relationship. First, Google quotes about ending a toxic relationship and pick one that resonates with you. Now we know what we're going to say. Now this might change a bit as we write the song, and that's okay, it's a creative process. But what we're really doing is instructing our subconscious to give us the ideas that will help us write the kind of song we want to write. We're giving our GPS a clear destination. Now in a minute I'm going to show you how to turn that song idea into a full song. But first, and this is important, whether you know it or not, the big picture is dictating every part of your song. From the words we choose, to knowing if we've picked the right chords, and knowing if the melody is expressing the emotion we need it to. If we know what we want our song to say, we stand a much better chance of finding the best way to say it. So, how do we turn those ideas into full songs? Well, check out this video next, and I'll show you a fast and easy way to do just that.